Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own wallpaper with an online image, illustration, or graphic art like we did for this episode of the TV show Cityline. Stick through to the end to learn what the best type of image file is so your custom wallpaper prints out super crisp and clear. I'll share some installation tips too. But first, here are 2 ways to find pictures to make your own wall mural. Number 1, your own graphic image. Maybe you have your own business logo that you want repeated over and over again to create an awesome backdrop for social media posts like we did for the mortgage coach. Or maybe you have other graphics that align with your branding, like this custom wallpaper we made for restaurant franchise, the Coop Wicked Chicken. Your graphic designer can set up the artwork and send it to us for our wallpaper printing. We're happy to collaborate with them so they know what software to use, what DPI is required, how to lay out your design, and the wallpaper panels. If you don't have a graphic designer, you can work with our in-house designer. Number 2, an image you find online. Although online images from websites like Google or Pinterest are usually too low quality to print, and there may also be copyright issues, you can buy the rights to use artwork from a stock image website online. That's how we help celebrity designers Colin and Justin create wallpaper for daytime talk show Cityline. Here's what they have to say about the process.
Nice. Now, this is by a company called About Murals, and we actually found this image online. And we just paid for the image. It was like $20 or something, and we sent it to About Murals, and they printed it up and turned it into this beautiful piece of art you see before you.
There are many stock websites out there, but the one I prefer is iStock.com because they have amazing filters. Refine the search results by orientation. If you have a wide wall, select horizontal orientation, and if you have a narrow, tall wall, select a vertical orientation. If you're looking for a more illustrated design, select vector images. These can be printed at any size without losing any of their detail. They'll never print blurry. The file name for a vector image is .eps. If you're looking for a more realistic design, choose an XXL image size from the filter so you get a crisp, clear printed mural. Select images that are a minimum of 6,000 pixels wide by 4,000 pixels high, but the larger the better. Once you narrow your image selection down, feel free to email us a link to the graphics you like, and we'll make sure they're high enough quality to print before you buy the image. We accept graphics that are in EPS, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PDF. Where can you use wallpaper? Our custom-made wallpaper is rated for commercial use, so it can go on any business wall. They're washable and scuff-proof. But you can use them in your home or a kid's room since they're non-toxic, as well as a bathroom or any high-humidity room. And since they're removable, they're even renter-friendly with no damage to your walls. So, how much does it cost to print your own wallpaper? Not as much as you think. When you visit our website, you can either choose a popular size from the drop-down menu or create a custom size. Just add the width and height of your walls in inches and you'll find your price. I'll add a link to our website in the description below. Our custom digital print wallpaper is really easy to hang. You can order it in 18-inch pre-pasted wallpaper panels, that's best for DIYers, or 36-inch wide width wallpaper, that's for more experienced wallpaper users. We made a tutorial for both types to walk you through the installation process, step by step. Watch them now.